Gosh, guys, I don't know anymore. I've got no control over this. I pray that it goes away and it doesn't stay forever. And I hope that the abuse didn't F up my brain into the constant tics. But I do have a fever all of a sudden. Ah, well, I have to see it through. What else can I do? Relapsing is not an option, so don't even mention. I scaled down again, and that's why I'm also in pain. I'm on 1.5 more. The easier way for a person to scale down off of this medication is by, I know it's going to be difficult. You will not feel it that much for the first 3 days, but the fourth day you scaled down, you're gonna feel it. And you may be gonna feel it for a few days or a few weeks. It depends. It depends on your body, what you eat, and what you do. Um, please get vitamins because they do help you eat. You do get a loss of appetite when you're on this medication.